Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're having a great start to your day. Today I'm going to show you a simple way to loop your videos using Videobolt. If you've ever needed your video to be a little longer but didn't want to add transitions or cuts, this method works perfectly. And right now, a Videobolt is free without watermarks. This is the website, Videobolt. All right, let's get started. First, we're going to choose the video we want to loop. I'm uploading this video here. I grabbed this one from Canva. Canva has a really nice selection of free videos you can use. Now, depending on your video length, the upload may take a moment. This video is 30 seconds long. You can loop your video anywhere from 2 times up to 5 times. Next, you'll see the boomerang option. You can turn it on or off. It's completely your choice. I'm going to select 5 loops and turn boomerang on. But first, let me show you what it looks like without boomerang. Notice the little pop at the end. That's without it. Now watch this. Here's the same video with boomerang turned on. See how much smoother the loop looks? It flows really nicely once you've chosen your settings and click loop and download. Normally I would download it here and drop it right back in, but for this demo I want you to notice the total time. This video is now 1 minute and 15 seconds long. Now I'm going to upload it back into Videobolt. From here you'll repeat the same steps. Choose your loop amount and decide if you want boomerang on or off. At the bottom, you'll see the duration. This shows you exactly how long your video will be, all right? All right, let's download this one. This video is now 6 minutes and 15 seconds long. Now let's head over to CapCut. Okay, let's play the video. No transitions needed, just smooth, seamless playback. I hope this helps you today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Keep creating, keep experimenting, and most of all, have fun. Peace, love, and happy crafting.